In this video, I'm going to show you guys the operation of the Auger 8-inch earth auger. I'm going to show you all the features to it, like 2 speeds, the reverse, the anti-kickback. Now this one, I happen to have an extension on, so I can dig up to 50 inches deep. So I'm going to go ahead, bring the camera in up close, show you all the features. So this right here is basically the control handle. You got your trigger right here, you have a safety lock right here, and you could choose between reverse of 1 speed or 2 speed. This is basically a low and a high. Now you do have some LED lights right here, so when you are running, this is going to light up green when there's no issues. This is going to light up red if there's a fault or an overload. Or let's say you hit a big rock or a root, it's going to be a kickback prevented light up. That way it doesn't twist your arm off, it stops immediately. You can always throw it into reverse and back this right out of a hole. That's something no gas auger is ever going to do. Now right here at the back is your battery pack. You can use pretty much any E-Z-Go battery pack, whether it came with your string trimmer, your push mower, or you bought one with this battery pack. Simply push the button, go grab a new battery, pop it back on, and you're good to go. Now this battery here is one of the smaller batteries, and it should dig 50 holes 30 inches deep. Basic function, once you have a fully charged battery on here, you pull in this trigger, you have a safety lock right here. I got it in low speed. You can see, you could barely hear this thing. It is super quiet. If I put it in reverse, let's say you got stuck in a hole, it's gonna back itself right out. Let's say you got real nice, clean, dry dirt. You wanna go at high speed, flip it over to number 2, pull the trigger. This thing is super quiet. You could go out and start drilling holes at 7 in the morning and never wake up a neighbor. That's the basic function of this machine. You have reverse, which is awesome if you've never had it before. You know, if you ever used a gas auger, drilled down to maybe 36, 42 inches deep and get stuck on a root or a rock, it is super hard to get it out. This, flip a switch, backs right out. You have 2 speeds. Let's say you're digging through clay. You want to put it on low speed. Digging through nice, soft, clean dirt, put it on high speed. This thing will drill 50 inches deep in about 15 seconds. So if you're looking for a really nice post hole digger, look no further than the Auger 8-inch auger post hole digger. I highly recommend you get that 21-inch extension. Gives you a lot more versatility in your digging. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.